back to the channel. Let's give your backlist a boost. Today we're going to talk about some strategies for boosting the sales of your backlist titles. If you don't know what a backlist is, why are you watching this video? I'm kidding, I'm happy to have you. Like and subscribe. Backlist titles are books that you have published in the past. New books are great. Everybody loves new books, but it takes a lot of effort to market a new title. With your backlist, marketing it can be a little bit more passive and experimental. With your backlist, you've already had a chance to see how it performed when you first launched it, so it'll give you a good benchmark to measure against if you want to try some new things. If you are currently selling all of your backlist through retail distribution, try adding some of those titles to your website to try direct sales. If you are new to direct sales, then testing out some of your backlist titles can be a great way to sort of test the waters and see how it works without doing a high-risk launch with a new title. That way you can have everything perfected when you want to launch a new title with direct sales. You can play around with formats. So if you originally published in paperback, you can publish in a hardcover version or ebook or audiobook. What about cover design? You always have the option to redo a cover for a book, and this can be a great way to give you a reason to talk about the book again and reintroduce it to a new audience. And a pro tip would be, if you are publishing in a series, refresh all the covers, redo all the covers in the same style for a nice and cohesive look. You can try special editions. Who doesn't love a special edition? Elevate the reader experience by offering expanded copies or different formats than what you had before. If you're working on building your email newsletter, and you know you should be, then giving out a free excerpt of your book, a free chapter, or even a free ebook is a great way to give your readers something that they want in exchange for something you want, which is that sweet, sweet email address. Use a tool like BookFunnel to make it easy to share free excerpts through your social media platforms or your email list. You can also play around with sales and promotional strategies to see how they perform for your backlist. These can include limited time offers, so obviously doing flash sales are a great idea. That air of like exclusivity and urgency can really motivate people to buy, and your backlist is a great way to test that out. Upselling! Everybody gets upsold to all the time. If you've ever been on a website, you'll see this where they say, oh, you like this book, you might like this other one. So you can do upselling where you may say, if you buy my new title, you can get one of my older titles for an additional $5. Or if you buy one of my older titles, you'll get 10% off my newest book. Giveaways. Giveaways are a classic, so you could do this, a myriad of ways, but you could say, if you buy my new book, you'll be entered into a giveaway to win one of my backlist series, or if you buy my backlist, you're entered into a giveaway to get an autographed copy of my new book. Promo outlets can also be great for your backlist. You can submit older titles to places like BookBub to help with discoverability and sales and hopefully reach a new audience. Social media ads and promos, of course, can play a big role in helping boost your backlist sales. So you remember Throwback Thursday, hashtag Throwback Thursday. You could do that every week and talk about your older titles. Or another way to do a fun promotion is with National Day Calendar. So I love National Day Calendar. If you are an author and you are not subscribed to it, you should be. There is a National Day for everything. So there could be a really fun or weird or random tie-in that you could send an email out to your audience and entice them to buy your book because of some weird holiday that no one's ever heard of. Some of the weirdest holidays. This is just a small smattering. Just sign up for the newsletter. But there's Sneak a Zucchini on your neighbor's porch day. That's a real thing. There's National Hairball Awareness Day. There's No Socks Day. There's Lost Sock Memorial Day. Talk Like a Pirate Day. Maybe there's an old book day, a boost your backlist day. How perfect. A lot of sock days though. Surprising. You can also cross-promote in your other books. So if you read any books, there's going to be in the front or back matter probably a reference to the other books that author has written if they have other titles. So be sure to do that too. And that doesn't take too much work to kind of update the front and back matter in your backlist if you haven't done that already. Every book that you publish should reference your other books. That is just free real estate for you to talk about all the books that you've written. So at the end of one book, you can say, hey, if you loved this book, you're going to love my next book. the dentist drove through Abernathytonville town. And they will love it, and you will love it too. This can also be a really nice way to show that you care about your craft and you're prolific, that you have a ton of titles, which if they loved your book, and I know they will, then they'll want to explore the other titles that you have available for sale. And remember, one of the awesome benefits of being an independently published author is that you can make changes to your book. You have that flexibility. So as you continue to publish, just be sure to go through and update that front and back matter to add new titles to the list. Instead of teasing one book, what if you teased all your books? You can create an anthology with chapters from several of your books that are all on the same theme, or maybe not, or maybe you just go crazy and put whatever chapters you want in there because you're a wild one. That's fine too. But creating an anthology can be a fun way to share several snippets of your work to kind of reach a wider audience and give people a taste of your menu. Has anyone ever said that? Give them a taste of your book menu with an anthology. And that is how you boost your backlist. Let us know what has worked for you in the comments below. Go to lulu.com today to start boosting your backlist. Hit like, hit subscribe. We'll see you next time.